Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 44, and the title for this week is Celebrate Life. I was observing my mother and mother-in-law who are around their 70s, and also observing some of the kids in our family. Actually, both of them are celebrating life, the kids and the people who are aged. So what I mean by celebrating life, they are doing things which they like to do. Whereas we in the sense people who are in their age of 10 to 60, every day we are working for the future. We always want to get that promotion or achieve that a new target, make that extra money, and we are always working towards the future and we are not working on today. And recently, in the last few weeks, some of the known people I know who are in their late 40s and early 50s, they are no more. They died because of a heart attack or accident or whatever reason. This made me to think, hey, are we celebrating life? So what do you mean by celebrating life? Doing the small things which gives us joy. Say, for example, watching that movie on the first day, first show of your favorite actor, or spending time with your childhood friend, writing a poem, or dancing in rain, or dancing in a family function, or going for a long drive with your mom alone or with your dad alone. So many other things which gives us joy. When I look back and thinking, actually the things which gives you joy comes at zero cost, almost zero cost. But still, most of us, including me, we are always working towards tomorrow. But it's better to realize that one day tomorrow may never come. So the message for today is, at least can we start doing one thing in a week which gives us joy, so that we can start celebrating life. I'm not saying we should be away from our responsibilities, not do our job. Let's do that. Anyway, we are doing that. But can we do at least one thing which gives us joy, one thing in a week which gives us joy, so that we realize that one day tomorrow may never come. Thank you, and have a great life and celebrate life. See you soon next week.